Welcome to DataWeave Fun. So today again I am going to solve one of the question from MuleSoft forum. So here you can see like they need help on this. Like this is the input and expected output is like the number of count of A, that is 5, then B, that is 4, the count of C is 3, and count of D is 2. So they are expecting that one. So let me open that one, and here we need to use GroupBy, that is for sure. Let me copy this one, the input. Okay, to do some correction. So here you can see we got that input. Definitely we have to go with GroupBy, and we will go with dollar. So we will get that value like A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what we can do, maybe we can create a variable on this one. So I will create a variable. Okay, and we are getting this value. So what we will do, like A is this one, B, B, C. So we need to get, we can use sizeOf. So what I will do, like first I will do keys of X. That is printing ABCD. So our expected output is this one. Maybe we can write it out in commented format so that it will be easy to track. A5, B4, C3, D2. So what we will do, like we will iterate it, and then we will do, then we are getting this one ABCD plus plus. Okay, I will do try like let me try X of dollar. So we are getting that value, like this is the key, and then we are appending that one like 5A. So we need to use size of. Okay, so here we can get A5, B4, C3, D2. So we are getting in the arrays, but we have to join, like we are, expectation is like string format. So you can use join one. Okay, join by. So here you can see like we are getting the expected output, and in this way, like we are getting the expected output. Thanks, thanks for watching. You can subscribe the Data Fund for further learning. Thank you. Thank you all.